If you own a Mac, you've probably discovered it's really hard to use non-Apple devices with it. You have an Android and want to transfer files from it to your Mac, or vice versa? Good luck with that. Your best bet is Bluetooth File Drop, which for large files is like trying to move a pile of sand with tweezers. Thankfully, this fine fellow has kindly developed an open source app to fix this, called OpenMTP. With it, you can now connect your phone or tablet to your Mac via USB and transfer files as normal. Well, almost. There's a pretty annoying issue I ran into when I first started, but the fix is a breeze, and I'll show you how in a moment. Okay, so step 1, open your browser of choice, navigate to the website. I'm getting it from this particular URL, but there are a few different places you can download it from, and download the version of OpenMTP that fits your Mac. By the way, if you don't know whether you have an Apple Silicon or Intel Mac, then you can quickly check by going into System Information and check what it says right here next to chip. If it says something like Apple M1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, then you have an Apple Silicon Mac. But if it says something like Intel i7 or whatever, then you have an Intel Mac. Once it's downloaded, open Finder and navigate to the Downloads folder. Double-click on the .dmg file and drag this icon into the Applications folder. Then you can just close it and delete the .dmg file. Connect your tablet or phone to your Mac via USB, and make sure that file transfer is turned on by going into Settings, clicking on Connected Devices, and checking that the USB setting is set to File Transfer. What you want to do now is open OpenMTP. And very likely, when you first open it, that error is going to pop up. First thing to do is click this button up here, the refresh button. Very likely, that error is going to pop up again, and it won't work. This really tripped me up when I first installed it. I tried all of these fixes here, and none of them worked. And then I came across a Reddit post, and it said that what worked for them was closing all of the apps related to Finder. For example, QuickTime Player, which opens movie files, the Music app, which opens all of your .wav and .mp3 files, and so on, and the Preview app, which opens all of your image files. So, if you quit all of those, quit, and then click refresh again, sometimes on your phone or tablet you'll have to click allow on a pop-up that says allow this device access to your data, and then click refresh again, and it should work this time. So this is my tablet here, and this is my Mac, and I have a test file here to transfer to show you how. So let's just go into a random folder, I'll choose alarms, and you can either drag and drop the file, and it'll transfer over, or you can select it, or select multiples, copy it, click over here, and paste it. And that will also work as well. And there you are.